Happy day 15. Time to move the calendar. Ooh, 11 is lucky for me. 11 more days. Although every time I do the calendar closer and closer, I'm getting a little stressed because I don't have things done. Anybody else? Okay, today's hot cocoa of the day is creme brulee cocoa. That should be interesting. I'm using the same mug as yesterday because it literally is the perfect size for the cocoa. Good morning. She's like, what you doing, Mom? Having some cocoa. Just wanted to show you that it's kind of lighter in color, and to me it has like a slight coffee taste in my opinion. I guess I can see creme brulee, but it's definitely different. Happy day 15. It's Friday, which this week actually went by really quickly. I think it's just the holiday season for me just always goes by so quickly, so everything is. Today I have this really cute top on from J. Crew. I did get it about a year or two ago though, so maybe they'll have something similar still. My earrings, I have these really cute Santa ones with like a little faux pearl on the back. And the reason I'm extra Christmassy is because we're having our holiday work party, or a work event, I guess I should call it more so, because we're going to be going to like a specialty private cooking class with a chef that the doctor I work for is friends with, and she's actually a really good chef herself. She even did catering at one point when she was in, I don't know if it was when she was in nursing school or practicing medicine. So she's actually taken many of his courses already, the chef that she's friends with. So we get to have our own private class today. We're going to make pasta from scratch. That's the thing I'm most excited about. I think we're making some kind of tiramisu also. Like, it's a full course that we're making and then eating together. And so kind of like, this is what we're calling like our holiday festivity, or like our thing that we're celebrating together. So that will be really fun. We're doing that after work. So I just wanted to show you my outfit. I just have jeans on with this top to make it a little more casual since we're going to be cooking, and I didn't want to get too fancy, but we'll probably take a picture or two. So I wanted to be still extra festive. Time for the Cake Pop Advent Calendar, day number 2. And I believe it is vanilla today. Look how cute these are. She hand cut each one of these too. Cheers. How does she even make vanilla so flavorful and delicious? Seriously. We're gonna go have a drink at the Vig first before we go to the cooking thing. Okay, Janet got a maple bourbon old fashioned, and then I got a Christmas Cosmo. Look how cute that is.
Thank you. You're ready.
So this is where we're going for the cooking class, classic cooking. We all got aprons for Doctor. Okay, Janet. Boss lady. She's got a Trump one. I'm doing your locally grown.
So we're on the lowest setting here, which is 0.
With bench flour.
Bench flour
Just
is
regular
this.
flour,
It's just unmeasured amount, just any kind of flour that you're going to use for the bench. So we have bench scraper, bench flour. Exactly. So yes, we did a fold. So you would do a fold like this.
Why are we folding and doing?
So it's so that you get a nice rectangular piece.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll do another fold. You don't have to do 2. I'll demonstrate here. So you're going to fold over, and then you're going to incorporate. We're still on the lowest setting for this.
And sometimes it's 0, sometimes it's 1.
Right.
It's okay with the machine.
And you only do one fold. Okay, I did another one just to show you. And then we're going through on the lowest setting. See how it's nice and rectangular? So in Italy, the more of a northern style, there's a lot more history of affluence in the north. So they have the fresh pastas.
Go, Janet. I made this pasta. I'm so excited. Good job, Cheryl.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm famous.
Okay, we are back home now, and oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I feel like I learned so much from Chef Andrew. Seriously, was so much fun. Anyways, you guys didn't really get to see what apron the doctor got me. So this is the one she got me. All of them were funny ones. So mine's not only sexy, but can cook too. I'll take it. I'll take it. And it has this funny imagery, but everyone's was funny. And we had just such a great time. So definitely would suggest going to one of their cooking classes because they are really, really good there. Oh my gosh, Olaf is on the tree. Oh my gosh.